Have you ever thought about the people that you used to love at one point and now they're not in your life anymore? Have you ever really came to the conclusion, like, how dumb they were? Like, how dumb. Maybe I'm the only one, but, like, they were so dumb. They were so dumb. They were fucking so dumb. I'm sorry. I mean, don't get me wrong. I always will wish everybody the best, but, like, I just can't with the stupidity, man. I can't, like, even though I miss the times, you know, those good memories, I am just glad that all of them happened the way they did. Every single one over the years, you know, because number one, 90% of them could have been way worse. And number two, because now I know what I deserve. Thanks for being stupid. Okay, I'm done now.